Story 1.
Hey, are you ready for your first day of kindergarten?
Yup. So pumped, Mommy.
All right, just eat this pancake, and then we can head out.
Okay, Daddy.
Cool. Now hop in the car. Let's go to school.
At school.
Have fun today, sweetie. First day vibes.
I will. Bye. Love you, Mummy and Daddy.
Bye,
Shirley.
So, where do I go now?
Hey, are you Shirley?
Yeah, that's me. Do you know where the kindergarten class is?
I'm your teacher, Mrs. Laley. I can show you where it is.
Yay! Thank you.
Shirley follows the teacher to the classroom. I'm Mrs. Laley. Before we start, you can meet some classmates.
Okay, I'll go introduce myself.
Hey, wanna be friends?
Yeah, sure. What's your name?
Emma. And you?
I'm Shirley. Nice to meet you.
Whatever. I need you to do some stuff for me. Actually, I need a bunch of favors.
What kind of favors?
I'll tell you at snack time. Here's my email. Message me later tonight.
Okay, got it.
Hey, Emma, I see you met Shirley.
Yeah, she's cool. We're gonna be besties.
Awesome. Shirley, did you meet anyone else?
Nope, not yet.
All right, then come with me.
No, you're not taking her away. She's my friend.
No, she's not yours. She's just a friend.
Same thing. But if you're taking her, I'm coming too.
Fine, whatever. I can already tell Emma's gonna be a handful. After meeting everyone. Okay, class. First day fun. Let's play a game to get to know each other. Here's how it works. We'll split into teams and I'll throw the ball to someone. If you catch it, you have 15 seconds to tell me your name, birthday, and fave thing to do. If you manage it, sit down. First team to get everyone seated wins and gets a prize. Cool. I need to understand everything you say. If not, it doesn't count. Now, pick your teams. 3 minutes later. All right, teams are set. Let's start.
I'm Emma. My birthday's September 13th, 2009, and I love playing with my dogs.
Perfect. Only took you 8 seconds. After school.
While I wait for my parents, I'll email Emma.
Shirley downloads Roblox and sets up her account.
I look so cool.
Ew, you're a total noob.
What's a noob?
Wow, you're dumb. Here, I'll send you 80 Robux. I can't even look at your avatar. Change it already.
Okay.
Slightly better, I guess. How much Robux do you have left?
Like 60.
Cool, now give it back. Time for your first task. Join me.
Join Adopt Me.
Go to the pet shop. See these Aussie eggs?
Yep.
I need you to save up 750,000 Adopt Me dollars. Turn into a baby and hatch your starter eggs. I'll teach you how to make money. You've got till next week for this task.
Whoa, that's a lot to make in such a short time.
Don't care. I did it. You can too.
All right.
Once you're done, get yourself a rich boyfriend, then give me everything he gives you. Speaking of boyfriends, I'll add one of mine to the chat.
Okay.
Hey babe, can I get my daily Robux now?
Sure. How much today?
80,000.
Whoa, that's a lot. Here you go. Check your Robux. Wait, who's this?
Oh, I'm just her friend.
Oh, got it. Did she ask you for anything?
Yeah, 750,000 Adopt Me dollars.
What? That's insane. Honestly, I'm thinking about breaking up with her.
Why?
She just uses me for Robux and stuff from Adopt Me. I feel like I'm being used.
Hi, Jonathan-y Boo. Kissy kissy, love love.
Please, stop calling me that.
No way, I can call you whatever I want. Jonathan-y Boo. Kissy kissy, love love.
Anyways, how about we do an age reveal?
Okay, but can I talk to Shirley in private for a sec?
Sure.
When he asks your age, say 15.
Okay, fine.
So how old are you guys? I'm 17.
I'm 15.
I'm 16.
She doesn't look 16, but it's too soon for a face reveal.
Oh, guys, I have to go. Someone's here to pick me up.
Oh, okay. Bye, Shirley.
Yeah, whatever. Bye, I guess.
Bye, guys. Mommy and Daddy are finally here.
Hey, sweetie. How was your first day?
It was awesome. I made a friend.
Cool. What's your friend's name?
Emma.
Wasn't there Emma at the adoption center? Do you know anything about her?
Yeah, her birthday is 9/13, I think.
That's the same birthday as the other Emma. Babe, can we talk when we get home?
We can talk about anything, Bubs.
Okay, so what did you and Emma do?
She showed me a game called Roblox. And I met another friend there.
All right, but you're never meeting up with this person or telling them anything personal.
Why? Got it, Mommy. Oh, Emma's boyfriend is online.
Hey, Shirley.
Hey, I never got your name. What is it?
It's Jonathan. Wanna play a game?
Sure. What game do you recommend?
Ragdoll. We can make a friend group without Emma.
Lol. Alright, let's join the game.
They join Ragdoll.
Let's split up and each bring someone into the friend group.
Okay.
A couple minutes later.
Hey, everyone. Let's introduce ourselves with our names and ages.
Hey, I'm Brenda. I'm 14.
I'm Steven. I'm 16.
I'm Shirley. I'm 15.
I'm Jonathan. I'm 17.
Wait, I got some Robux. I'm gonna go change my avatar. Back.
Wow, she looks so good.
Okay, do you all want to play Roblox?
Yeah, let's play too.
Everyone joins in too. They play for an hour.
Oh no, this won't end well.
That's my boyfriend. What's he doing with all these people? They might take his Robux. Jonathan, what's going on? A friend group?
Now, do you have a problem with that?
I wasn't talking to you, idiot. Lol, that's what I thought.
Stop, Emma. You're ruining our friend group.
Ugh, can you just leave me alone already?
Wait, hold up. Are you Shirley?
Yep, it's me. I got Robux.
But you weren't supposed to tell me when you get Robux. I get 80% of it.
Yo, that's messed up.
Nah, it's not. That's how my friends do it.
Nah, that's not right. She gave you so much Adopt Me money. She was playing for like 10 hours straight to get that money.
And why do I care?
Steven and Shirley, can you guys go and play something else? I gotta handle this.
Oh, okay. Bye then.
Bye, Jonathan, and bye, rude girl.
I'm done with you.
Why? Jonathan Boo Boo. Kissy, kissy, love, love.
First off, stop calling me that. Second, I have to give you hundreds of dollars in Robux every day. Third, you're using me. Fourth, you've been using Shirley for a year now. Fifth, I like Shirley more. She's real and kind. Sixth, I swear you act like you're 9.
Fine, let's do a face reveal with everyone then.
All right, let's join them. Yo guys, wanna do a face reveal?
Yes, of course.
Of course.
Yees. Okay, I'll go first. This is me.
OMG cute.
So hot.
Me next. Here I am.
Beautiful. My turn. This is me.
Oh, so hot. Jonathan Boo Boo. Kissy, kissy, love, love.
Don't call me that again.
Ugh, whatever.
Shirley, you next.
Yep, this is me.
Lol, you're 5.
WTF. She's so dumb. I'm pretending I don't know her. Lol, she's 5 years old. Jonathan Boo, kick her out.
Wait, Emma, you're 5 like me.
What did you just say? Emma, you're 5 too.
Oh, no, I'm actually 16. Shirley, you're 5. I'm not friends with you anymore. Let's leave the group.
I hate all of you.
Wait, Shirley.
Dude, just let her go. She's 5 years old.
There's only one 5-year-old to let go.
Jonathan kicked Emma from the chat.
Lol, that was a good one.
Yeah, wanna meet up sometime?
Yeah, like at the park in a few days.
Nah, I'm good. I don't want to meet up with you guys.
Why not?
I'd rather meet up with Shirley.
Lol, that was a good one.
Nah, I'm serious. I'm leaving the chat before she deletes Roblox. Now, let's talk to Shirley.
What do you want? I already told you I'm 5.
I don't care. I want to meet up with you.
I'm so confused. I can't leave the house alone. I'm 5. I'm flattered, but I'm too young to go out by myself.
Just sneak out at night.
This doesn't sound safe. Okay, fine. Let's do it.
At PM?
Yeah, that works.
Want to play some Roblox now?
OFC.
They played Tower of Hell for 2 hours.
I gotta go eat dinner.
Oh, okay, bye.
At 10:30,
Ready to sneak out now?
Yeah, I'm leaving the house, but where do I go?
Go to the town park.
Alright, I'm climbing out the window now.
at the park.
I'm here, but I only see an 8-year-old. Wait, are you the 8-year-old?
Yeah, I'm Jonathan.
Oh my gosh, is that why you were still into me when I said I'm 5?
Age is just a number. That's why I lied and said I was 17.
Wow, I love that.
Want to do this again in a few days?
No way, that was so scary. My parents are probably freaking out by now.
Want to go for a walk?
Yeah, but just a short one.
Okay. Wait, is that Brenda and Steven?
Let's hide in this bush and watch them.
Lol, I can't believe Shirley pretended to be 15.
I know, right? She's the dumbest 5-year-old.
Haha, do you guys want to come over to my place and swim in the pool?
Yes, of course.
I'll drive since I've got a license.
I can't believe you made up that story to frame Emma. We're not friends anymore. And I'm definitely not dating you in the future.
What do you mean? That's not even Emma. I know her in real life.
Stop lying. I'm leaving you here. Enjoy your life.
Wait, Jonathan. How do I prove that's not Emma? Oh wait, I've got an idea. Runs after Steven's car. Jumps in the back. Now I need to facetime the real Emma. Call. Accidentally picks up. OMG. Who are you?
Shirley takes a screenshot.
That was so scary. Who is that girl? Oh no! Steven, Brenda, and Emma are coming.
All right, let's grab our pool stuff from the truck.
Shirley.
I know. I'm sorry.
Why can't you just leave us alone?
Because that's not the real Emma.
Yes, it's me. How do I prove it?
What's her birthday?
November 13th.
Okay, what are the names of her 3 dogs?
She doesn't have 3 dogs. She only has 2. And their names are Rexy and Lily.
OMG. How did you know all this?
Because she's the real Emma. Now get over it, you stupid 5-year-old.
No, wait. There's gotta be another way to prove she's not the real Emma. I have an idea. I need to get into the house somehow.
Will you leave us alone?
I would, but why does it say Emma's online on Roblox?
No, that's gotta be photoshopped.
Oh, really? I'll join her now. She's playing Adopt Me.
Fine, join her and talk to her, then.
No, don't do that.
Why not?
I'm not Emma. She's a 5-year-old. I'm Pamela. She hired me to pretend to be her.
Then where is she now? I called her and a teenager picked up.
Oh, well, my friend stole her phone.
WTF. Wait, but how was she playing Roblox then?
Oh, she was just playing on her laptop.
Honestly, I don't care if you're not Emma, you're a cool teenager. And that's all that matters to me.
So leave now, Shirley.
Fine, I've got better things to do. Let me hop on Roblox and message Jonathan.
In Roblox,
Jonathan, I have proof I wasn't lying about the Emma situation.
Okay, send it to me.
Shirley sent a secret recording of Pamela confessing that she is an Emma.
Oh, okay. You're right. Sorry for accusing you.
It's cool. Can we be friends again?
Of course. Want a date when you're 15 and I'm 18?
In 10 years, we'll be in a relationship.
Sounds great. Wanna play Roblox now?
Nah, I can't. It's been a wild night and I need to sleep.
All right, I get it. Good night, Shirley.
Good night, Jonathan. Now, I gotta figure out where the house is. Time to climb the tree and get into my room. Almost there, just gotta reach the window.
To be continued.
Story 2.
Look who it is. She was met by the stinky. That hippo at the showers.
Hey, I agree.
So why do you always smell bad?
I continue to act rudely.
Hey, polar bear.
Excuse me. Stop calling me like that. And why are you so rude to Jenny?
Chill out, baby. We are best friend.
Really? Is it true, Jenny?
Perhaps.
Okay.
That one was quite close. Return to your home trash now.
Pushes Jenny into the lockers.
Ouch.
I can give you a glow up if you come over to my lessons at night.
Really?
Loser. I was joking. Walks away.
I desire a glow up. I'm getting ice cream. This ice cream is delicious. Yum. Gets a text. Who texted me? Oh no. A random number. See what it says, will we? The entire school is invited to a party tonight at John's house. According to the invitation, I was shocked to be invited. I return home now and prepare for the celebration. Go home and change. I'm done. Mom, I'm attending a party. Walks to the party. There are many individuals present.
Who invited you? Oh. I believed your mother wouldn't let you too. You're going to check in on the screen while we play games, I bet.
I will not. Don't worry about that. Just break the ice because it's so bored now.
Then I'll let everyone know that. You're playing spin the bottle.
She tells everyone.
Who will move first?
I don't know. Let's choose randomly.
Jenny. Listen, everyone. Jenny will go first.
Seriously? Oh, me?
Anybody else's?
Be brave and avoid becoming a coward.
Jenny spins the bottle. It lands on John.
My godness. I'm not giving that ugly a kiss.
I will.
WHAT. Are you okay, Mike? You don't have to do this. Mike, wake up. How can you kiss that stink mouth?
I desire to.
Goes in for the kiss.
No. Smashes the glass bottle on Jenny's head. Witch, get out. Get out of my boyfriend's way.
Pushes Jenny. Makes out with Mike.
Get away from me.
Bear Mikey, dearest you.
Leave, Jenny. You are not wanted here.
But cries and starts walking home.
I have to go to the restroom. Goes outside to meet Jenny. Hey, Jenny.
Leave now. You're only going to be rude to me.
Number. I won't be like that. But you requested a glow up.
Yes, I did.
So why don't you visit my home? I could make you glow up.
Really? Don't cheat on me, please.
Chill out. I'm here to help you.
If so, I believe you this time.
Okay, go ahead.
They go to Linda's house and they start the glow up.
Get off of me, I said.
John removed her from me.
John pulls Mary off of Mike.
Mike, I want to tell you something.
What is that?
Would you like to be my boyfriend and attend the prom with me?
Oh, sorry, but I need to reject your wish. I prefer somebody else.
Mary, what about me? Would you like to attend to prom with me, Mary?
Shut up. Oh no, you're not my type, Jenny. You're actually a touch behind at the Jenny.
Is that a yes then?
No.
Are you prepared to shine up now?
Of course. That's what I was waiting for.
Starts doing glow up. Moen walks in.
Hi, sweetheart. This is who?
It's a high school buddy.
Okay, sweetheart. I believe it's time you learn the truth.
Discover what?
That is your pal. Your sister.
What? Jenny, did you know this?
No. I'm completely shocked. But that explains why we both have the same hair color.
Yay! Why didn't you tell me this, Mom?
Have fun, girls. We'll talk about this further later.
So let's do your glow up now. I suppose.
They do the glow up.
Wow, what? I see. Wonderful. I appreciate you, sis.
Do you want to wait to reveal your new look to everyone before returning to the party?
Returning to the celebration. Hopefully everyone is still present.
They walk to the party.
Oh, looks like no one is here but John.
John comes outside.
Hey, who the heck is this?
A moment, please. Whispers to Jenny. Do you want us to say you're someone else?
Call me Anna.
Who is this then?
Hello, I'm Anna. I'm one of Linda's out-of-town buddies.
Oh well, you appear gorgeous.
Many thanks.
Let's go forward, Anna.
Okay. Bye.
Why don't you spend the night at my house?
Good thought.
They go back to Linda's house and go to bed. They both wake up.
Let's prepare for class.
They change and go eat breakfast.
Did you invite a second friend?
Jenny, not that.
Wow, how has she changed?
Where do you prefer to be?
I adore it.
Okay, Mom, we're off to school.
Who is this exactly?
Anna here.
You're quite attractive. Which is something I never thought I'd say to anyone.
Thanks. By the way, your type of girl who is looking the beauty, right?
Exactly. I just feel sick whenever I see fat or ugly girl.
Oh, is it too rude to say so?
Nope, listen. That's modern. Just only high fashionable girl can play with me because they are same my level.
Okay, you're a modern girl, okay.
Oh, I saw a girl. Her name is Jenny.
Oh, Jenny. So what?
OMG, I don't even want to call her name. Ugly name plus ugly face.
Seriously?
Yep, and smell that always, haha.
Whispers to Linda. Please let us tell her.
Sure.
Oh, seriously. I have to tell you something. My name is Jenny.
That's funny, haha. Seriously.
Of course. I'm not kidding you. I'm Jenny.
No way. She was kicked out of the group. Besides, she is ugly.
Listen. I am Jenny.
Are you crazy?
No, it's true. Yesterday, I gave her a boost. Because of kind of person like you. I need to help Jenny. To make her more confident.
You support her cause. Unbelievable.
Hey, guys, who the heck is this?
Jenny.
What? Is this you? Jenny,
Yes, it's me.
I'm sorry for what happened. I was running after you. I was trying to protect you.
I know that, Mike. You don't need to say sorry. Thanks to type of person like Mary. Now I know who is my real friend.
Friend?
Yes, you're my real friend.
But, actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Okay. I'm all ear.
Have you ever loved someone?
Me? Actually, no.
So, do you want to be my first love?
I really want to.
Linda tells everyone that Mike and Jenny are dating.
Wow. I used to think you were cool. Mary, but no longer.
What? I swear I'm pretty awesome. If you tell everyone that I am cooler than Jenny, you know that I will let you date me.
Well, I no longer like you.
But I'm wonderful, please.
Oh. Sweetheart. Give up. Nobody likes you anymore.
But cries and leaves.
I wanted to ask you a question, Linda.
Yes.
Do you want to accompany me on a date?
I really want to.
They set up a double date. John, Mike, Linda and Jenny go to the date.
Mary's departure pleases me.
Me too.
I'm glad this thing worked out, though.
Same.